Hello everyone, welcome back to Pencarian YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to fix forgotten password of Google Play Store account on Poco C65 easily. Alright guys, so yeah, if you forget your password account for your Google Play Store account, and don't need to be worried guys, because here I have a solution. And without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, the first thing first that you have to do is you can go to Google Play Store, and then now you can click for profile, and then over here now you can go to Google account guys. And so yeah, here you can manage your Google account, and you can swipe to the left and then go to security, and after that now you can scroll down again and go to password. Alright guys, and after that over here you can click for forget password, and then you have to fill your new password over here and confirm the new password. And after that you can click change password, and so yeah, the password changed successfully like this. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to fix forgotten password of Google Play Store account on Poco C65, and then thank you so much for watching.